Hey everyone, so I wanted to share with you my holiday planning ClickUp template. So it's completely free. You just have to sign up using the link in the description box below, and you will get access to this entire holiday planning folder. So it includes gift ideas, holiday to-dos, how to send out your holiday cards, and a holiday menu. So if you click on the folder, you're going to see all of the list. But if you want to see the entire board in a more detailed way, you can go to each list individually. So first we have gift ideas. So here you're just going to add each person you are getting a gift for. So let's say you have your kid, you just put their name here. You can put a due date if you want to buy it by a certain date. And then we have the gift statuses. For the statuses, I just put the person's name since we're not using this status really, and just when it's in progress and when it's complete. For the gift status, though, we have a custom field, and these are the options we have. So if it's an idea, if you need to buy it, if you bought it in the store, if you ordered it online, if it was delivered, and if it was wrapped and ready. So that's the gift statuses. You can also view it in the board view. So you can just move each person to whichever status it is. So we have it grouped by gift status. So you go here, group by, and then the custom field, and then by gift status. So if you bought the present, then you can say if you bought it in store or online. And when it's wrapped and under the tree, you just bring it here. In the list view, though, you get more of a detailed summary of your budget and the cost. And then you can track how much you spent on each person. And then at the bottom here, you'll get a sum calculation of how much you spent on everybody's Christmas gifts. So that's a great way to budget and see how much you are spending during the Christmas season. And then when it's completely finished, you can just hit that check mark to just mark it as done. Okay, so next we have the holiday to-dos. So this is just like a bucket list of things that you should do during the holiday season. These are just some of the ideas I put up. Maybe you can also put drive around to go see the Christmas lights, and you can always open these up and then use the description box to write down the addresses of some of the popular areas to go drive around and see Christmas lights. But yeah, you can set a date for when you're going to do all this. If you wanted to bake cookies, decorate the house, decorate the tree, set out milk and cookies for Santa, things like that. Maybe taking your holiday pictures, reviewing your address book, and just a list of stationery that you need to buy. And then we have the holiday cards. So if you click on the holiday cards, you'll see a more detailed list as well with the custom fields. So the holiday cards also has a custom field right here, the holiday card stage. So we have write on cards, address and stamp, and mail out. Again, you can use the board view to put the families here. So just move them across. You are going through the entire list. And then you can also write their address here. So if you don't have their address handy, you can put them here so that you can see it. Okay. And then finally, we have the holiday menu. So this is for you to just keep track of the grocery list that you need to buy, what's going to be on the menu. You can use the info for the number of people, links to recipes, things like that. So maybe decide what you're going to be cooking. You can just put it here in the menu. And these are statuses. So we have info, menu, grocery list, and then complete. And this is just to help you plan out what you're going to eat for Christmas dinner. Okay, so that is the entire holiday planning template. I just wanted to gift you guys this. It's on my blog. You can sign up for it there and hopefully plan the rest of your season. I know it's late that I'm putting up this video. I did have that blog post up on the 1st of December, but hopefully you can still use it. And yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy this little free ClickUp template and let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys next time.